Here's a dessert that's ideal for barbecues. It sits in the fridge until you're ready to serve. When you've had your fill of protein and carbs, this dessert goes down a treat. Panna Cotta. So what does it mean? Well, panna translates to cream and cotta means cooked. The simple and accurate name of the dish understates how delicious it is. And with the addition of coffee, what a great dessert it makes. So it's over to the kitchen and you'll see, it's dead easy to make. I've got the recipe in my book and here are the ingredients. 3 gelatin leaves, 300 ml of strong black coffee, 75 grams of muscovado sugar, 100 ml of whole milk, 300 ml of double cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 dessert spoon of coffee liqueur, that's optional, and 4 crunchy amaretti biscuits. First, I'm soaking 3 sheets of gelatine in a bowl of cold water. Now to brew the coffee. You can use any method you prefer. As a confirmed coffee lover, my bean-to-cup machine is doing the job for me. A cafetiere works well, or even instant coffee, providing you make it really strong. For me, 200 ml equals 3 espresso lungos, which I'm now pouring into a small saucepan. In goes the muscovado sugar. Must get every little bit. Followed by 100 ml of whole milk. Turn on the heat. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring now and then to dissolve the sugar. While it's gently simmering away, I'm pouring the double cream into a heatproof jug. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and stirring to combine. With the pan off the heat, squeeze the water from the gelatine. Add it to the pan and stir until dissolved. Now pour into the cream jug and mix well. The mixture is divided between 6 espresso cups, making it easier to serve as it doesn't have to be turned out. So they're into the fridge to set overnight. Now to the coffee syrup topping. Add 100 ml of coffee to a small saucepan, plus 100 grams of caster sugar. Over a high heat, bring to the boil for 5 to 10 minutes to reduce the liquid by half. When the syrup has thickened, take it off the heat and allow to cool. Once reduced, you'll have a nice glossy, sweet coffee syrup. This coffee syrup is nice and glossy, to which I'm adding 1 dessert spoon of coffee liqueur. You can add more if you like it boozy, or leave it out for non-alcoholic. Pour it into a serving jug. which will be joining the panna cottas in the fridge for an overnight stay. So it's out of the fridge and ready to serve. Take 4 crunchy amaretti biscuits and crush them. Not too finely. I'm looking for crunchy crumbs. Top each panna cotta with a pool of coffee syrup. And there is my delicious espresso panna cottas. Sprinkle with crunchy amaretti biscuits for the perfect finish. If you'd like to know more about this delicious dessert, or indeed any of my videos, then all you have to do is sub my channel. Just click that button. And don't forget to activate and ding the bell and leave your question in the community box below. Now, here's the recipe recap. Silky smooth, creamy, with that unmistakable taste of coffee. This isn't just panna cotta, this is espresso panna cotta. You know, I'm chuffed with that. If you've enjoyed watching me make this delicious dessert, then give us a thumbs up. Now, I'm going to polish off the rest of that panna cotta. So from me, the old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.